Hello viewers, I am Rajat Pandey and this is my channel Interview with Rajat Pandey. Viewers, I am present here in Raibli in the beautiful campus of British Institute, and today I am going to have interview of the director of British English Speaking Institute, Mr. Noshad sir. So viewers, this is my request to all of you. You please watch, keep watching this video last and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. So let us talk to Mr. Noshad sir and know about his life history. How are you, sir?
I am very good. And how about you, Rajat?
Okay, sir. I'm also very fine, sir. Sir, I would like to ask you my first question. Where is your native place, sir?
Okay. Basically, I come from district Muzaffarnagar.
Yeah.
And it comes near Meerut. And there is a small town in district Muzaffarnagar. It's called Meerut. Basically, I am from there.
Okay, sir. And my second question is this: that tell us something about your family background, sir.
Okay. As you are asking about my family background, so there are 9 members in my family. My parents are there, and me. That's simple. I have 4 brothers, and they all are working their work. And me, Noshad Ahmed, here in Raebareli.
Okay, sir. And my next question is this: what's your qualification, sir?
Basically, first of all, I would like to tell you one thing that I am MA with English, which I did from Subharti University, Meerut, and that's it.
Okay, sir. From where did you get your primary education and then your higher education, sir?
Okay. As you know that as you are just taking my interview, we are running British Institute of English Language Raebareli. Basically, I come from Urdu background. When I started my foundation classes, so I was in madrasa. So from first class to fifth, I completed my foundation classes in madrasa. Then after I converted myself into UP board. Then I completed my 10th and high school from UP board, and the school name I still remember, Basant Shiksha Sadan Intro College. I completed my high school was completed in 2002, and intermediate I completed in 2004.
Okay, sir. During your studies, who have been your best friends, sir?
During studies, it's very tough question. Then if I reply that who was my best friend, because so many students came in my life. But if I just start to count all the names, and or if I just take a single name, so it will not be honest with my all the friends and students. Yes, particularly if I take, so there was Robin and Amjad and Gul Muhammad. These were my best friend, but still who is in my touch, and there is one friend, his name is Wasim Ansari. He is still in my touch.
Okay, sir. Sir, another most important question I have in my mind. What happened with your legs, sir?
Okay, actually, I got problem in my legs. When I was when I was 6 months, then I got paralyzed in my leg, and since then and still, after doing so many struggle, my father got me operated, and today I'm using Mystic Besaki, as you know that. So it is polio problem, sir.
Okay, sir. Most important question. Are you married, sir?
this is this is very actually magic question for me. I'm not. I'm still married. Means it can. I'm single. Do you have any option for me?
Okay, sir. Who your favorite actor, sir?
Actor. In Bollywood. So I just like my favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan. I always watch his movie because whenever I just watch Shah Rukh's movies, so I don't know how and I don't know why. I just got inspiration from him. I love him so much because his story inspired me. Shah Rukh Khan or Shah Rukh Khan's movie I'm not talking about. Actually, his life or his background story inspired me much and inspires me much. Shah Rukh Khan is my favorite actor in Bollywood.
Okay, sir. If I have talk about movies, so I would like to talk about which is your favorite movie and which is your favorite song.
Sir, the song and the movie are same. My favorite movie is Chak De India. There was a movie of Shah Rukh Khan and under the banner of Yash Raj. That was fantastic movie. Since I have started to watch movies, so this is fantastic movie. And the title song of that movie, Chak De India, was my best song. And Chak De India is my best movie. This is very inspiring movie. If you are just going to watch this movie, so you have to just see, does not matter what people are just saying about you. You just keep standing for your country, keep doing the best. The one day your country, the people will know who you are and how you love your country. This is why Chak De India is my best movie.
Okay, sir. Which is your favorite sport, sir?
Favorite sport? Cricket is my favorite sport. Any question from cricket?
Yeah, actually, if I have talked about cricket, okay, sir, favorite sport, sir, your favorite sport. So I would like to ask you another question. Who your favorite cricketers are?
You are asking, it means you want to know one plus, right? So my favorite cricket, there are so many cricketers whom I really like. The very first whom I love or I think that he is a good player in cricket, there is Darren Stan. He is the fast bowler of South Africa. He is not playing these days. Second place I would like to give to Mahendra Singh Dhoni, and because whenever he is on the field looks very cool, and he put his all the effort to get India win.
Another question, sir. Let us talk about your teaching lineup. When did you start teaching, sir?
Actually, see, I come from commerce department and graduate I did with commerce. So before, after completing my graduation, I started teaching tuition at my home, and it was my hobby to speak in front of people to give something special to them, to motivate them. And I used to teach commerce first, but it was my hobby to speak English. Then slowly I start to speak English. Then I thought, then if I am able to speak English, so let's do something like training. So I started to give training people, and today I am here as the director of British Institute of English Language.
Okay, sir. Why did you come to Rabli from your native place and when, sir? And what's the story behind it?
Sir, actually, this is a very interesting story. If I tell and that how would I come here in Raebareli. After completing my graduation, I was searching job, and I got selection in India Influence Service Limited marketing company. Then I got selected there, and then they transferred me here in Raebareli in 2009. So very first I came here in Raebareli in 2009, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 9, 10. These 2 years back to back I worked with Indian Influence Service Limited marketing company, and then I thought that working with any kind of organization like servant, it was somewhere was making me bored. Then I decided that I would be a teacher, because here in Raebareli I saw this is an education hub. So I decided that I would be a teacher. So I got my mind prepared, and I thought that I would be the trainer of spoken English. This is the simple story, but coming Raebareli was the U-turn of my life when there was my senior, his name was Mr. Ali Nayyar, and he gave me the opportunity to come here in Raebareli. I always, whenever I am just thinking about coming in Raebareli, I just pay my thanks to him. This was the story of coming Raebareli.
Okay, sir. And tell us something about your institute, British Institute, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. I feel proud and feel goosebump whenever I just introduce myself and my introduction. Very simple, sir. We are just running British Institute of English Language, Raebareli, and right now in India, it is just taking growth everywhere. The people are just taking interest to join British Institute. Here in Raebareli, we are just running. I am the director of British Institute of English Language. This is sir.
Okay, sir. Uh, there are many institutes in Radley, but why the students should join only British?
Yeah, you're absolutely right. Because if we are just having British Institute, so this is very biggest question and major question for all the student. Why they should join British? This is the question. Of course, they should join British because if they are coming British Institute of English Language, so first of all, we are not making them cram like a ratta. Second thing, there are two things of grammar: grammar rule and grammar use. Somehow, if we are just going to speak directly English, so we must be knowing what we are going to speak and how we are going to speak. Sensible language if we are speaking, so it will give you the benefit wherever you go. Here the method of British Institute is completely unique. Here we are just providing reading, writing, speaking, listening. Whether you have knowledge of English or not, you can join British Institute and we just give our words to you. Then we will make you able to speak English. Yes, four skill we are providing from basic to advanced. You can learn with the help of British Institute method: reading, writing, listening, speaking. So many students are coming and so many students have completed their basic to advanced course from British Institute, and they are working in different types of companies and even they are getting benefit. This is why I just welcome all the students and all the guys who are just thinking that somewhere English is just getting hard for them. So there is no need to be confused, there is no need to be get scared. Just come and join British Institute. We will definitely fulfill your dream of speaking English.
The students who want to prepare
Hmm.
for Air Force, Navy, have you any special batches for them?
Sir, actually, see, if for Air Force, Navy, and NDA, we are not just prepare. We are not just getting prepared for their exam, because for examination there are so many other institute. They have the student must go there, but after cracking their exam, whenever they have to go for GD for interview, so there is only one platform in all here in Raebareli, and this is British Institute. Previous result, if we talk about, we had given 25 plus students we were having, and thank God that the result was around 90%. All these students have cracked their GD. For group discussion, if you need a great atmosphere and green atmosphere, so there is only one platform for all the NDA and Air Force students. They must visit institute, they must join our GD class, then we will provide the atmosphere which they need.
Okay, sir. As everyone knows that you use Besaki,
Hmm.
so while teaching, while walking, so how do you manage, sir?
Sir, see that everything, when whatever we do, we become habitual of that thing. That was I cannot say that it is my fortunate or unfortunate. It was in my destiny that I am using Besaki. So I am in the habit now to use Besaki. I do not have any kind of problem while standing and walking. Yes, if I talk about my teaching, so there is 1.5 a class we are taking here in Raebareli. So I do not have any kind of problem while standing. I am teaching my students, and even the students are happy with me. They are just cooperating me. They are not just going to see my disability. They are just going to see my ability. They do not mention how I am standing and how I am walking. They are just coming here. They are getting motivational vibes from me, and they are just learning English, and they are just appreciating me. I am happy with that type of ability. I do not have any kind of problem.
Okay, sir. If any student has started reading or speaking English, so what's your suggestion for him? How should he start his journey?
First of all, British Institute is having some unique method for starting reading, writing, listening, speaking. Then if you want to know that unique method, so you are to just most welcome. You are to visit British Institute once. I'm thinking, if students is just going to study for himself or herself, so there is no problem. They can start. See, consistency is the matter. Whatever we do, we have to do back to back, and we have to do regular that thing. Reading, writing. there is one thing that you have to start reading from basic, from zero level you have to start. And these kind of thing, if you are just back to back and continuously if you are reading that thing, so your reading skill, your writing skill will be improved. Along with, if you are practicing daily a sentence, see, if you want to speak English, so vocabulary does not matter. I have seen so many student while saying that we are weak in vocabulary. Vocabulary does not matter. Vocabulary is not going to help you. You are to just learn sentences. Means if you are just learning speaking a sentence daily and you have become habitual to speak that kind of sentences, so slowly you will be finding that your language is becoming strong and you are just having good command or communication skill and English as well.
Okay, sir. Maybe this may be my last question, or I have one more question in my mind. Although you are the inspiration for many students, although you are the teacher of many students, but who is your idol, or whom do you suppose your guru?
Hmm. My guru.
Yeah.
Okay. See, every step we get guru. So many gurus came in my life, and they convert my life. They changed my life, and I am still learning. See, no one is perfect in the world. It is said I'm not perfect, but yes, I say always I just believe in one thing. That so many gurus have come in my life, and I need thousand and more guru in my life. So many students I have taught, like I have just told you. But particularly, if I talk about my guru, so there was Shiv sir. He guided me nicely. He appreciated me most, and he was the one. I remember he was just saying one thing to me. Then you will become an inspiration for all the students. And today, while teaching, whenever I stand on my lecture and I stand in front of my student, I really feel proud and I motivate my all the students. So Shiv sir is my guru, whom will be in my mind till the last breath of my life.
Okay, sir. Another question, and the question is this: that you have taught many students, but who is your best student?
Sir, this is not the correct question. If you are just asking my every student who are joining us, I love everyone because my duty is to just improve my students' skill. Whenever students are coming, they are having a particular dream. The dream of them are, they think that they would be able to speak English if they are joining. I love all these students, whoever have joined me and whoever are going to join me in future. I love all these students. Yes, I just give my one message. My all these students, if you, whether you are my students or not, but I would like to give you one important message. Never give up in your life and love your country and always get ready to learn, because the life has given you a chance and this is the first and last chance. After this chance, the life is not going to repeat it, because it is said, if you think you can, so you can, and if you think you can't, so you really can't. So just always be ready and keep standing and keep going. One day the success will touch your feet.
Okay, so viewers, with these questions, I would like to finish this video, and
And one more thing. Thank you, Rajat Pandey sir, for giving a beautiful platform to introduce my British Institute of English Language. And I pay my humble thanks to Rajat Pandey sir. And as you are just starting this kind of channel, so I just pray to God that God give you grace, and you must analyze and grace your channel name, and the channel will touch the sky. Good luck.
okay, sir, thanks a lot from the bottom of my heart, because you appreciated me, not only me but also my channel. So viewers, with these questions, now I would like to finish this video, and I would like to request you, if you like this video, you please share it, subscribe my channel, and please share this video to many people. So we will meet you in any other video. Bye bye, see you.